Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. 2 weeks today is race day. Holy cannoli, I can't believe it. We have so much work still to do on Nessie. We are putting in like 20 hours a day on this build, so we have a lot to get done today. We're gonna kind of take a look at the frame, where the shocks are, make sure that when everything is articulated at the front, that nothing kind of touches or nothing is going on with the steering knuckles right there. We may have to do a little Frenching in there, not too sure yet, but we're going to take a look at that. And we're going to be working on the winch plate today, making sure that our fairlead is there. Let's see what kind of shenanigans we can get up to today. Okay, so Max right here, the genius that he is, you've seen him do a bunch of work. I've had him on time lapse for a wee while, so he's going to talk us through what he's done on this side. Then I'm going to help him do it on the other side. I'm going to get my hands dirty.
Started out here with a little cardboard template. You know, we had an idea kind of what we wanted it to look like.
And why are we doing this? We're doing this so that the shocks don't...
clearance.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of valves on the side of this shock over here. Okay. Yeah, this beautiful Fox shock.
Yeah.
When the shock was turned around, these valves were getting into our steering here.
Into the knuckle.
So we turned it around.
Yeah.
So the valves were on the inside. These tubes were down here. Clear the steering knuckle.
Okay, that's perfect.
So now we had to recess, notch.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. You like it?
Perfect.
You like it? It's so pretty.
Yeah.
It was now my turn to get my hands dirty and start working with the plasma and getting welding on the other side. Who knew that you could use a straight edge with the plasma cutter? Something new. Learning a new technique with the plasma cutter and the straight edge and pulling back or pushing so that the line is straight. Man, it is actually way harder than it looks. Something I'm definitely going to have to practice.
So what we got going on here the plate on the other side, we
Yep.
came back 14 inches from the front of frame.
Yep.
So I marked 14 inches for the front of plane. This is our template, right? So we're gonna mark front and back on this frame.
Okay.
This is the beginning of our process here. This
Begin-
line is pretty faint, okay? So we're
Uh-huh.
gonna grab our grinder here,
Okay.
and I'm gonna hold this template up.
Yep.
Can you see that line still?
Yeah, I can.
Can you cut that in with the grinder, you think?
Sure.
All right, let's
Why
go ahead.
not? Let me
Would you
quickly
ahead?
go grab some gloves.
Okay, grab some gloves. Safety first. Put some more lines on here for you. The next line is gonna be up here.
Okay. So we're just cutting that out, right?
Yeah, you're just gonna cut this out. You comfortable getting up underneath here and doing this one?
Nope.
You have to raise it up and you have to pull it easily.
Just on the side?
Just right on that same seam
Yeah.
you did on the top?
Yeah. Just do the
Yeah,
same.
the bottom. Yeah, and then we're done.
Can we?
Give me this other bud. How about put that over there? So basically that's gonna be like so.
Nice.
See?
Whoa. And then there was Matty doing his thing. He's just minding his own business.
You guys measured me in case you want
Double this and that'll set it.
Not that bad. Just go to markers. You mark it up.
Nessie. I'm starting to like it. I'm starting to get into the Nessie groove.
Well, it's the Rock Nest Monster.
Nessie. And I don't know if I've ever had a Nessie. It's a good name for a horse, would be Nessie. Like a kid horse? So what we have going on here, we cut our plate out. We have our inset, roughed in.
Yep.
We're gonna look in here at these back edges, these back gaps.
Yeah.
They're pretty nice on the top.
Okay.
So we're gonna keep everything relative coming down. Something's kicking us out a little bit in there. We got a roll in this somewhere.
I can't
So-
hear a word being said.
Our high spot is
Okay.
right here.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna grind this down
Uh-huh.
a little more. Hey boss, you done with the plowing?
gonna cut it for today. We have got a lot done today. Messy, dirty, looking like hot messes. I can't even say it's
We're
just
looking
me.
like fabricators. That's what
That's
this
one.
looks like.
Master
That's one.
fabricators.
Check this out. I know a lot of you had no idea where we're going with this. This is exactly what we were going for. There may be a little surprise coming on the front here, but you guys will not find out until we leave here, most probably. Come over here. Beautiful work done by Max today. I helped on the other side, as you guys saw. Everything is cleared here. And they did all the front end after closing out the video yesterday. Of course, because they got their 14th wind and they wanted to do more. So we are on the right track, people. We are on the right track. 2 weeks today will be race day. Will we make it?
Is that even a question?
Yeah, we're definitely going to make it, people. I know a lot of you are still like, oh no, but there's so much to do. We know we're putting in 20-hour days. We're going to be there, but we're tired right now. We've got to get up tomorrow and do the same, so see you guys in the morning.